Namaste.
Ready?
I'm just gonna bring down my luggage.
Okay. Good morning, how are you?
Yes.
Where are you going now?
We're going to Pokhara, brother.
Okay. Yeah, have a safe
Yeah.
journey. See you next time.
I'll see you again.
Yeah,
soon.
bye-bye.
Bye.
I drink coffee.
Coffee?
You
Okay.
want food?
Namaste. Namaste.
I saw a driver there, I guess. What's your name?
Yeah, what's the name, brother?
My name is Hari. Hari.
How to spell that?
H-A-R-I.
Hari.
H-A-R-I.
Hari.
Hari. Hari what?
Hari. H-A-R-I.
Hari.
Hari.
Dal bhat. You want fish curry or chicken curry?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian too.
ल म खाना खान सुरु गरेँ
Thank you.
I do. My max deadlift is 200 kilograms.
Oh, wow.
So I think it's not that bad.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hold the door.
Thank you. We'll go down and check in.
Yep.
Get her.
You know the rate, how much?
It was 1,002, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, he said that. stay at shop. But today, my area, no tourists, no business.
Which way is your shop? Is it?
From here to there's like a street number 15, 13, 14, 15 like that. So street number 4. In front of my shop, there's a big tree and one black dog.
Okay. Is that a dog?
Yeah, some sort of like that. He always sleep. It's a black dog, always sleeping. So in front of my shop, you can know it's a many glass, like a true glass and in front glass.
Okay. Maybe I'll drop by too.
Yeah, you can come and have a tea there.
Oh.
You can have sometimes talk there.
That'd be great.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
There are some guests. You can see this is good place.
Okay. Thank you.
I think I'll just sit down here. Down here?
Okay.